As the high-profile trial between NASCAR and Michael Jordan's 2311 racing team continues, co-owner and driver Denny Hamlin is making waves off the track. Despite legal advice urging him to stay silent on social media, Hamlin took to X to share a message with fans. He expressed his love for them and reassured them that he is fighting for what is right, writing that although his lawyers don't want him posting, he couldn't stay quiet. Fans quickly rallied behind Hamlin, flooding the post with support. Many praised him for standing up to NASCAR and acknowledged the fight wasn't just for the teams, but for the fans who care about fairness in the sport. Comments ranged from admiration for his dedication to suggestions that Hamlin and other legendary drivers could one day reshape NASCAR if given the opportunity. The outpouring reflected the emotional connection fans have with drivers who stand up for principles beyond the track. The lawsuit itself, filed in October 2024 by 2311 Racing and Front Row Motorsports, centers on NASCAR's charter system. Instituted in 2016, the system guarantees teams spots in the Cup Series and a share of race revenue in exchange for license-like agreements. The teams contend the 2024 renegotiation of the charter imposed unfair, one-sided terms that restricted autonomy, raised costs, and penalized those unwilling to sign. They argue NASCAR has exploited its dominant position, effectively operating as a monopsony, to suppress competition, limit team earnings, and undervalue independent investments. The trial, which began in December 2025 in federal court in Charlotte, North Carolina, has seen passionate testimony from Hamlin and other representatives. Hamlin described the staggering financial burden of fielding a Cup Series car, estimating costs around $20 million per season while guaranteeing far less in return. He characterized NASCAR's charter model as like a death certificate for independent teams, highlighting how restrictive policies, exclusive track agreements, and supplier limitations make it difficult for smaller teams to compete on equal footing. NASCAR maintains that the charter system is standard in motorsports and provides stability. They argue it benefits teams by guaranteeing race entries and predictable payouts while ensuring order in an otherwise fragmented sport. The company disputes claims of monopolistic behavior, framing the system as a necessary framework to maintain fairness and consistency across the Cup Series. As the trial continues, Hamlin's social media post serves as a reminder that the dispute is about more than contracts and regulations. It's about fairness, competition, and the future of stock car racing. Fans remain engaged, following every development closely, as the case explores the tension between NASCAR's authority and the rights of independent teams striving for a level playing field.